Every day in your business, meetings are routine and essential. These days, meetings require more interaction, collaboration, and creativity than ever before. To meet these challenges, LG has continued to develop integrated meeting room products and solutions to make meetings more flexible and seamless for your business. Let's take a look at one example, a fashion apparel company, and see what LG can do for your business. Ella, a fashion designer, is thinking of a new concept for the upcoming season. Fruit is her top choice for the visual theme. She is searching for colorful, vivid patterns and checking whether they fit her seasonal color palette. Now with LG One Quick Works, she annotates directly on the screen. Then she rings up some friendly faces to bounce ideas off of, with its built-in 4K UHD camera and microphone. Looks like inspiration has struck at last. Ella and her team are shaping up her ideas, but they need a bigger display so they can all view the content comfortably. Wow! Look at the clear, colorful details! And now with LG's interactive digital board, Ella is able to communicate her ideas with intuitive touch and pen functionalities. Also, when your team needs quick feedback, One Quick Works is great for that. Ella is sharing her progress with the other departments. Let's increase the size of the signage so the colleagues in the back can see clearly. Let's use the LG UHD signage to hear feedback from colleagues through a compatible third-party conference device. Wow! A lot of great ideas from today's meeting! Let's share Martin's laptop screen on the IDB and jot down the meeting minutes to wrap up. Ella is presenting her final designs for the new collection. Wow, her fruit-inspired line looks deliciously chic. It looks just as vivid and clear from different seats in the room. For an even bigger screen to showcase ideas, there's the LED all-in-one display. This bezel-less LED screen is easy to install, has an embedded controller, built-in speakers, and all the convenience of the WebOS platform. It can also be serviced from the front. What's that icon on the top right corner? Ah, the LG signage is continuously monitoring for signs of eavesdropping. How reassuring! Now it's time to decide which pieces to launch. All attendees are casting their votes in real time through the Air Class function. How exciting! It's showtime! Ooh, huge screen! Ella is finally unveiling her new collection to the public. It looks so impressive on the bezel-less super-sized screen. She's explaining her vision in more detail on a second signage. Too far to see? Not to worry! It's easy to set up additional signage as needed. It's a hit! Great teamwork has made the dream work! Wait! It's not over yet! LG's support for teamwork doesn't just stop at displays. LG offers the latest solutions in wireless screen sharing, One Quick Share, and remote conferencing. You can experience seamless and productive meetings through LG One Quick remote meeting apps. Now, no matter what size of meeting room, it's time to experience meetings that are more interactive, collaborative, and creative with LG digital signage and solutions.